Combine multiple images into a group portrait. Combine multiple images into a group portrait. You can use the auto-align layers command to make a composite photo from a pair of nearly identical images that may contain some unwanted areas. For example, one shot of a group portrait is ideal except that one of the subjects has her eyes closed, and in another shot her eyes are open. Using auto-align layers and layer masking, you can combine these shots by the way and eliminate the flaw in the final image. And you have a step here now. Step number 1. Open the two images you want to combine. Number 2. Create a new image, then select File, then select New, with the same dimensions as the two source images. Number 3. In the layers panel for each source image, select the layer that contains the image and content and drag it into the new image window. And the layers panel for the new image now contain two new layers by the way, and one for each source image. Number 4. In the layers panel of the new image, arrange the new layers, and so the layer that contains the content you want to correct, and portrait with eyes closed actually, and is on top of the layer that contains the correct content. Portrait by the way with eyes open. And number 5, select the two new layers and choose Edit, then choose Auto Align Layers. Number 6, select reposition only and then click OK, and Photoshop finds the common areas in each layer and aligns them so that identical areas overlap. Number 7, click the top layer to select only that layer. Number 8, add a blank layer mask to the layer and then click Add Layer Mask in the Layers panel. Then choose Layer, then choose Layer Mask, then choose Reveal All. Number 9, set the foreground color to black and then choose a brush type and size and zoom if zoom in if necessary, and to focus on the part of the image you want to correct. Number 10, using the brush tool and add to the layer mask by painting over the top layer. And painting with black completely masks out the top layer, and while grayscale creates partial transparency to the layer blue, and white restores the top layer by the way, and see masking layers and continue editing the layer mask until you successfully blend the two layers to create one unified image. And do note here and be careful, make sure that the layer mask thumbnail, not the image thumbnail, is selected in the layers panel during the masking operation. Number 11 and finally, to allow further editing, save the layered and masked version of the image and make another copy that you can flatten to produce a single layer version with a smaller file size. Thank you.